Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's me, the South African Wanderer, and today we've got some exciting unboxing to do. So I went out to cameras this morning and this is what I came back with. Let's get to the unboxing, or in this case, unbagging. Okay guys, so what's in the goodie bag? Okay, first off, 160 gigabyte Sony Type A CF Express card. That should give you a clue as to what else is in the box. A nice Sony Alpha cleaning kit that the guys at Cameras threw in with my purchase. And then obviously with the card, you need a card reader, so had to get one of those as well. And then the big purchase. There it is, the Sony Alpha 1. Clean this up. So this is Sony's flagship camera body. Shoots 30 frames per second and 50 megapixels, which I will go through in more detail in a later vlog. Instruction manuals that probably I'll read back to back just so I know the camera. Oh, this is a little cage for the HDMI cables. I wonder where that goes. Anyway, Sony USB charger, I guess. Neck strap, and I guess here it is. Clear some space. Ta-da! Hope that my camera gets it. There it is, the A1. This is going to be my shooter from now on. Like I said, 50 megapixels, 30 frames per second, autofocus tracking better than the A9. Takes the same battery as the A9 and the A7 III. Dual card slots, and this is where the CF Express card will come in. To be able to shoot 30 frames per second, you need a CF Express Type A card, else you'll be limited on the speed. I'll need to get a second card at some point. And then the rest is just, oh, nice. Sony battery charger. Few adapters. Should have a battery here somewhere as well. There you go. Tucked away. Brand new NP-FZ 100 Sony battery. A positive for this one is that this battery has the same form factor as all my current batteries, so the A7 III and the A9 take the same battery, but I think this is a newer battery. so I don't need to buy any spares. So there you go, the unboxing done. I will spend the rest of the afternoon setting the camera up so that we're ready for our trip to the Kruger, which we get off to on Thursday morning. Prashin is flying in tomorrow late, and I'm sure he's also looking forward to playing around with this camera. Okay guys, catch you on the next one.